Ad rotation, I prefer not to optimize, because if I've got multiple ads running, I want all the ads to get the equal amount of traffic and see which one is working, which one is not working. But it's entirely up to you whether you want to optimize or don't want to optimize. Ad schedule, I usually leave it all day long unless you've got a business where you only want to show or run your ads during the opening times of your office. So you can either put in your weekdays or separate times for your weekends or individual days over here. These are very straightforward and standard settings. Set up your start and end date. I tend not to set up a end date because I just let it run. But if it's for a special event like Christmas, New Year, Valentine's, Mother's Day, Father's Day, and so on, then you can select the date so you don't overrun your campaign after the event has finished.